Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to high school academic competition between year 10s, that is year 10 boys and year 10 girls. In this first segment, they will go head to head on a variety of questions from both sides. These questions are multiple choice questions, and you'll have 30 seconds to answer the questions. Each question will answer correctly will be awarded 5 marks. For this question section, we reveal the answers and we don't pass the questions to the next, to the opponents. So let's begin. Girls, which number do you pick in the quiz questions bowl? Which number?
4.
Number 4. Okay. This side? Okay, G. This is a biology question. Identify an abiotic factor that affects coastal ecosystem. Fungi, climate, plants and animals. Climate.
Yes.
That's correct. 5 marks to the girls. Boys,
Question 3.
question 3. ICT question. Smartphone is able to perform many functions. Identify the terms.
Or D.
Okay.
You win.
It's correct. Okay. But okay, before we proceed,
You don't raise the
Before we proceed, you will allow me to read the question because we have the audience.
hand. And you do not raise
Then,
up the hand.
Once I
Use the
finish,
bell.
as teacher Scholar said, there's a bell there. Then you press the button on the mic to say the answer. So boys section also 5 marks.
Yeah.
Girls, it's your turn.
5.
Question 5. Okay, Kadar, you read the question.
الفصول ألف كذب الحاء اعتمادي في القاسمة. كم
That's correct. The boys. 7. Question 7 for the boys.
7.
Yes, 7. Biology question. When the right ventricle contracts, to which of the following structures does the blood flow next? Aorta, right ventricle, left ventricle, pulmonary artery.
Nine.
Aorta.
A. Aorta. That is incorrect. The correct answer is pulmonary artery. We go to the girls section. In your bowl, don't repeat the questions that you selected. If you repeat the question, Madam Scholar will tell you to pick another one. Yes. Question 2. Okay. This is also a biology question. Which of the following diseases is not caused by a virus? Malaria, AIDS, influenza, and measles. Malaria. That is correct for the girls. We go to the boys section. Choose a number from the bowl. 6. Number 6, here is. We have 1 minute to work this. The y-intercept of the graph, negative 4x plus 12 is equals to 3y. Is A, negative 3, B, 3, C, 4, D, negative 4. 1 minute to do that. I will time this one myself. Yes? C. That is correct. That's correct for the boys. Okay, the girls. Which number do you choose on the ball, on the questions ball? Number 1. Yes, also math question. The slope of a line with the equation 2y is equals to negative 4x plus 8 is A, negative 4, 2, 4, or negative 2.
There's a
30 seconds to do. It's a 1 minute question for math. Yes. 2. Negative 2. So that is wrong. Okay, the boys from the questions bowl.
Choose from 1 to 8.
5. Which question?
5.
Number 5. Okay, this is a geography question. Which of the following is not a feature found in the upper course of a river? A gorge, waterfall, interlocking spurs, and last rapids. Yes? Rapids. Wrong. It is interlocking spurs. That is wrong for the boys. The girls, which questions are left for them?
They still have 4 questions.
4 questions to go. Pick a question which you haven't.
From 5 to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, they're finished.
Number 8. Yes. ICT question again. One of these, yes, is a pointing device. Identify it. Yes. Joystick. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, boys. Yes.
Number 4.
Number 4 for the boys.
Yeah.
Okay. When a driver sees a problem ahead, the car will travel some distance whilst the driver reacts to seeing problem. What is this called? A, thinking distance, B, stopping distance, C, braking distance, and last, overall distance. It's a physics question.
Nine.
Yes,
Braking distance.
braking distance. It's a thinking distance. Thinking distance. That is 0 for the boys. Can we move to the girls section? Which questions do you pick? Yes? Question 7. When a skydiver falls through the sky, there comes a time when they stop accelerating and fall at a constant velocity. This is called terminal velocity. That's correct for the girls. Terminal velocity. Let's go to the boys section. Which questions we haven't answered?
1 to 8.
1, 2, or 8? Yes. Question 2 for the boys. This is English question. In which situation would you expect to use a formal language? Going to a friend's party, attending a job interview, going to the cinema, or chatting with your brother? Attending a job interview. That's correct for the boys. Yes, girls. Which questions are?
5, 6. 5, 6.
5 and 6. Choose one. Question 6. Yeah. What change occurs to an atom when it forms a negative ion? It loses an electron, it gains protons, it gains electrons, it loses protons. Gains electrons. That's correct. 5 points to the girls. Yes, the boys? 1 or 8. Question 1 for the boys. Yes, it's yellow. Okay, this is Islamic question. Mr. Kadar, you read it. Okay. Yes, that's correct. Okay. The girl says they haven't done question 3. So the girls school, can we do question 3? The girls question 3. Question 3 down for the girls. Yes. What does the idiom in bold mean? In this case, they underlined. We really want to keep our wedding private, so you must not let the cat out of the bag. Allow the animal to escape, not to keep a secret, reveal a secret. The underlined section, to let the cat out of the bag. Yes, D. Yes, that is correct. Okay, the boys, which question? You haven't done? Question 8. Okay. Which of the following is the electronic configuration of magnesium? Yes? 8, 2?
282.
Okay. That is correct. 3 girls have done that segment, boys?
Finished.
Well, the first segment is finished. Now we go to the second segment of those questions. For the girls, 11, 12, boys, 9, 10. These questions are worth 2 marks each. However, if you don't get it correct, we'll pass it to the opponent for half a mark. You have exactly 30 seconds to do the questions. There are no answers, but I have the answers, I will tell you. So let's start with the girls. Which one do you choose? 11 or 12? Number 12. Which of the following fraction is equivalent to 5 out? Okay, which fraction is equivalent to 5 out of 9? Yes. Yes? What? 10 over 18. That's correct. So in this section, it would be a multiple of any of those. So that's correct. So the girls have 2 marks. The boys? Number 9. Force is equals to mass times acceleration. What are the units of mass? Kilogram. That's correct. We go to last question in this segment for the girls. Number 11, sorry. Identify a keyboard shortcut used to bold a text? Shortcut for bold. Control B. Correct. Last but not least, we have boys. Which number? Number 10, the last question in the segment. River delta means what? Geography question. River delta, what does it mean? A river delta. Yes. Yes? That's correct. Name a sport in which players hit the shuttlecock. Shuttlecock, they hit a shuttlecock. Badminton, yes, that's correct. Yes. Question 2. A support in which a lever rests on a simple machine. A support on which a lever, lever, rests on a simple machine. From the audience? Fulcrum. The last, another question. Okay? Okay, this is a general question. The term, the competitors not turning back. The competitors moment, you are going to be disqualified. I want your eyes to be fixed here. The term in chess, chess? Yes. Referred to as a lower player that on a normal circumstance can only move one square at a time. Checkmate. No. Pass it to the next. Just only moves one at a time. So that this group is out. This is a general question. The only president to serve more than 2 terms in the US history. Name the only president who served more than 2 terms in the US history. Yes.
Barack Obama.
Pass it. The last group. Okay. Bridge builders have considered building a bridge across the Bering Strait from Alaska to this country. Which country is it? The bridge builders have considered building a bridge across the Bering Strait from Alaska to this country. Which country is it? No? No, that's Russia, but let's give them the same. Let's give them one more. Okay, your hands on the button. Your hands on the button. Okay, this is the question. German scientists that sent President Roosevelt a letter about the development of the atomic bomb is called this guy is a German scientist that sent President Roosevelt of the United States a letter about the development of atomic bomb. Name a German scientist that sent President Roosevelt a letter about the development of the atomic bomb. Yes. No? Anyone from the crowd? Einstein, that's right. Yes. 2 to the 5th power is dash. 5th power of 2.
35.
Pass. 5th power of 2.
200.
Pass. So yes. 32. Again, from the audience. The question is, when the moon casts its shadow on the earth, it is referred to as when the moon casts its shadow on earth, it's referred to as dash. No? From the group? From the audience? Yes. From the group? From the group? Audience, yes. Solar eclipse. Yes.
So the boys have a total of 29 points and the girls have a total of 41 points. That means the girls go to the next round and the boys, thank you so much for participating and please support the girls on their next level. Thank you so much.